Antibiotics can either pause bacterial growth or destroy them. Here's how they work. Bacteriostatic antibiotics halt growth, while bactericidal ones blow bacteria apart. See the difference? Meet the heroes, antibiotics like penicillin and amoxicillin, tailored to target your bacterial foes. Broad-spectrum antibiotics attack many types, while narrow-spectrum ones are sharpshooters against specific enemies. Don't worry. Narrow-spectrum antibiotics can protect your helpful gut buddies while zapping the bad guys. Viruses are tricky. They invade your cells, making antibiotics powerless against them. Bacteria have thick walls and enzymes. Viruses have only RNA. That's why antibiotics can't touch them. While antibiotics sit it out, your immune system steps up to the plate against viruses. Remember, only use antibiotics when prescribed. You're empowered to fight smart. Take a closer look. These tiny structures are the enemy, and antibiotics are the right tools to combat them. It's science magic. Antibiotics target DNA, enzymes, and cell walls to prevent bacteria from multiplying. Let's break it down. How antibiotics fight bacteria involves several smart strategies. Together, we can fight infections effectively. Healthy choices lead to healthier lives. At the end of the day, antibiotics are here to help, but let's use them wisely. Want to know more about staying healthy? Subscribe for more eye-opening insights. Fun fact: antibiotics have saved millions of lives since their discovery. Let's respect their power. A story to share about antibiotics? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Join the fight against antibiotic resistance. Together, we can make a difference. Here's to a healthier future with responsible antibiotic use. Together, we thrive.